On February the 2nd, 2011, I blew the whistle on Scott Schellenberger, Greg Bernstein, Governor O'Malley's bomb machine in the prison industry in the state of Maryland. I also blew the whistle on Illinois, Sam Cunningham, Mayor Moxley, the Sabanjan machine. Y'all make a lot of money off of black bodies. And if Martin was here, he wouldn't accept it. So our black leadership been protecting this racism that's been going on. Been doing this documentary since 2006. And now you're in the spotlight. Same way I left toilets all over the city, I'm getting ready to do it again. Gonna be golden toilets. So I advise y'all to get your campaign signs down. It's a whistleblower's application. Y'all been denying me access to the court since 2006. I came to file a class action lawsuit about the war on drugs. The crime bill you signed off on. That's what ties us together. 1986, I turned in guns and drugs to end the war on drugs. That's what these toilets is about. That's what these toilets is about. That's a legal notice. Fired my lawyer and defended myself. And that's perfectly legal. That's Illinois and Baltimore City and Baltimore County. That's the prison industry. 2011, I was kidnapped. All right? Talking about the treatment of inmates in Spring Grove Medical Facility and Baltimore County Detention Center. Y'all left me in Baltimore County and y'all had me in solitary confinement. Your job is the oversight committee for the prison industry. That's Congressman Cummings' job. I'm a whistleblower on the prison industry. Your job is to take my whistleblower's application and take it to the congressional grand jury. Yeah, the prison industry, mass incarceration. That's me, Illinois. All right. President Obama. All right. That's me in 2000. This is 2006, 2007. I went home on vacation, came back on probation. This is 2011. I was making a movie about racism in the judicial system. And it's notarized and perfectly legal. Yeah. That's Billy Murphy from the Murphy Law Firm. So when I say that these lawyers is protecting this corruption, that's Billy Murphy. 2016. Y'all claim that y'all care about Martin Luther King. Well, on Martin Luther King's parade, I gave Greg Bernstein evidence to send Governor O'Malley to jail in 2011. February the 2nd, 2011, I gave all this information to Greg Bernstein, the Department of Justice, the city solicitor, and the mayor of Baltimore City. All right? The mayor of Baltimore City. Y'all made me famous for toilets. That's the toilet that got me locked up. That's the toilet that got me free. And I'm going to play with toilets again. Shorty's Toilet Tour 2011. We getting ready to do it again. That's President Obama asked for an investigation. See the date? 2012. I'm a whistleblower. So these are part of the whistleblower. That's the Department of Justice, Mr. Harding. That's State's Attorney Mosby, 2016. That's Larry Hogan. That's the IRS. Y'all make a lot of money off the prison industry, multi-billion dollars. So I went to file a class action lawsuit. I got inmates that signed off on this. Inmates that had their rights denied, the right to vote, voter suppression. Yeah. A documentary about your judicial system. Head State's Attorney Mosby got this. The Democratic Party been shielding this. Mosby, McCarthy, Anthony McCarthy, Brandon Scott, Nick Mosby, Marilyn Mosby. Y'all got a criminal enterprise to lock up black Baltimore and use black faces to do it. But it's a white agenda, white supremacy. A federal and the state audit on Shorty's Pit Beef and Grill. A federal and state audit. Larry Hogan got this. Scott Schellenberger got this. Moxley got this. President Trump got this. Chief Hyatt and the state prosecutor had this since 2019, ain't did nothing. That's Johnny Oleski. These are your public officials. All right? These are your public officials. That's Eric Holder, Department of Justice, 2014. Michael Nearham. I was kidnapped by the state of Illinois on December the 24th, 2007 because I came to file a $2.5 billion class action lawsuit against Sheriff Coran, Judge Boris, Judge Bridges, Judge Foreman, Judge Rossetti. It was about the money y'all make off black bodies in Lake County. Yeah, I'm a whistleblower on the courts, and all my evidence is in your hands. It's in the Department Ronald Davis. It's in Al Retmers, because I was insured. I had $1 million insurance policy, and the state reneged on that policy. That's Mayor Pugh. She can testify. And that's Brian Frost. He was Senator Frost. You can get my testimony from the Baltimore County Council. You get my testimony from Annapolis, and you get my testimony in Lake County, Illinois. That's Harry Spikes III. That's a subpoena. And y'all been blocking these subpoenas. Because like I said, I took you to court, and you denied me access to the courts. That's President Trump. I'm a whistleblower exposing the corruption in Maryland's Democratic Party. Senator Van Hollen, Senator Cardens, Kweisi and Mfume, Delegate Brooke Lieberman. Yeah, I named y'all and I gave this to President Trump. He got this. Richard McFeely. You see that? Kathleen Pugh is a witness, as well as Jane Miller, Luke Broadwater, Keith Daniels. Because like I said, I gave this to President Trump. I gave you the Shorty program. And that's the Shorty program. This is my plan, all right? I gave you social, I gave you economic, and this is the political. I gave you the political. You feel me? To create a mock government to mirror our own. This will enable them to better understand the process. Voter registration, shadowing various government officials from the city, state, and Congress. Schools, penal system, healthcare. Put democracy to the test. I gave you my Shorty program, and I'm still working my program. That's Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, Judge Souter. That's the Department of Justice. All videos and legal material concerning Dwayne G. Davis and the grand jury minutes. I want the grand jury minutes. See that? That's the Cary School of Law. Because I'm getting ready to file a class action lawsuit, and I'm going to file a writ of certiorari about my justice. And the Department of Justice is going to have to turn over everything that they got. That's my case file. That's 2014. I was blowing the whistle on the courts. That's the state of Maryland, Attorney General's Office, 2013. Yeah. Paul Ballard. Internal Revenue Service, because like I said, I want an audit, a federal and a state audit. That's Judge Turnbull, 2009. That's me, 1402 Lochner. You kidnapped me. That's the Honorable Judge Turnbull. This letter is respectfully written. The Honorable Court of Judge Turnbull concerning my denial of due process and equal protections. All right. Chief Justice Tawny Sari said, Schellenberger does. All right. Randallstown for change. You locked up a whistleblower and you locked up a community activist. And these are the people that had full knowledge of this since 2008. ACLU, Terry Owens, ABC2, Just Boris, Quinn, Cardens, Cummings, Mikulski, and the Lawyers Association. Congressman Cummings had it. Congressman Cummings had it, and that's why you don't want to talk to me, because Congressman Cummings been shielding this. Y'all make a lot of money off of black bodies. Now we're going to make some black sense. February 2019. Johnny Oleski, Department of Justice. I am writing in reference to Dwayne Shorty Davis. I have met with Mr. Davis on several occasions. Under your preview. He asking for the Department of Justice to investigate my kidnapping. President Obama asked for the Department of Justice. I asked for the Department of Justice. And it's about Baltimore County Detention Center. You got a job to do 2020. Do your job or lose your job. I'll be at the Corinthians today. Come see me. We talking about Sam Cunningham, Mary Cunningham. We talking about the Illinois delegation. We talking about Lake County. We talking about Nearham. We talking about your judges and your prison industry, the war on drugs. Now, Catalina Berg know about this. Hassan Giordano know about this. Your black leadership know about this. But they've been shielding this because they make a lot of money off of this. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That's the face of cooperation. You got a problem with anything I say and do? Come see me. I'm at the Corinthians. My evidence is in Sheila Roof's hands for the 2021 session. When the 2021 session resumes, Delegate Smith, Delegate Clippinger, the House Judiciary and the Senate Judiciary, I'm a whistleblower in the courts, and you can't keep protecting Schellenberger. Disbar Schellenberger in 2021, or all 52 of y'all can go to jail.